strategic interventions. The organization development technique that focus on those changing process that shake the organization to its core. The audit department plays a crucial role in executing those changes. I think these type of interventions are designed to change the various characteristics of the organization, setting as the employees, technology, production among those by focusing on the organizational interaction with the other external environment. So according to these type of interventions, they are applied mostly in the cultural changes and the strategic planning criteria. Hello everyone, this is Darishri Sambandham. In this video, we're going to see about various interventions of strategic management. Let's get into the video. Actually, we are going to about to see about the integrated strategic changes. This comprehensive OD is invented describes how planned changes can be made value added contribution to the strategic management. It argues that the business strategy and the organization system must be changed together in response to the external and the internal disputes. So a strategic change plan helps the members manage the transactions and in the transition between the current strategy and the organization designed and the desired future strategic orientation. So this is the entire integrated strategic changes, and the next we're going to see about the organizational design strategy. This interventions address means the organization design addresses the organization architecture to which the structure, work design, human resource practice and the management that informs the information system in the alignment and support each other. In the systematic view of an organization that attempts to a direct member behavior in the consistent of a strategic direction. So this is the organization the organization design that concentrate on the strategic direction. So then we're moving to the cultural changes. Of course, the culture impact of the organization will definitely influence more to the employee as well. So this intervention helps the organization developing the culture, such as the behavior, value, beliefs and norms appropriate to those strategic and the environment as well. It focuses mainly on the development and the organization culture to keep the organization member pulling the same into the direction. So the cultural changes will behave towards the transition position to the organization. So then we are moving to the transformational changes. So transformational changes is a process that involves the changing of the basic character of the organization, including how it's structured and the way it operates. For example, it is a famous video game. Okay. However, the company was founded in 1889 to create a games. Due to the changes in this consumer interests, it shifted to the electronic toys and later video games that from 1970s like that. So this is the transformational change that the company implemented to the organization. If it is based on the customer's review, based on the customer's choice or the preference, they are changing the strategy towards the another criteria. So then we are going to moving on to the continuous changes. So what is continuous changes? Continuous changes is an intervention that enables the organization to improve gradually by making a small incremental changes. A popular example may be learning organization. These approaches are placed more important on learning from mistake and failure than punishing them. So the continuous changes is what the learning process could be the example there. We can't learn as what we tend to. It is just like the process of we will be making a mistake, will be get failure and will be get punished and will learn that. So this is the process that the strategic management also intend to do that. So then we'll move on to the next criteria, which is trans-organizational criteria. So what could be the trans-organizational criteria? So trans-organizational changes involves change interventions that move beyond the single orientation. So that will be not in a group or a club manner. It will be beyond a single orientation or the organization. This includes the mergers and align and acquisition and the strategic networking. A common type of transitional changes is when company buys or merge with a competitor. So this is the trans-organizational changes, is that a company buys and merge with a competitor. So they are combining something and buying to merge to their competitor. So this is what the various interventions of the strategic management, which mainly concentrates on those things which we have discussed, that is the integrated strategic changes, organizational changes, cultural changes, transformational changes, and continuous changes, and finally the trans organizational changes. I hope this video helps. To learn more, thank you.